Have you ever lost a customer because their urgent issue slipped through the cracks? Quite likely, I think. So today I'm showing you how to automate ticket creation and escalate conversations to a live, real life human with zero manual effort by integrating Chatbase with Zendesk Sunshine. Hi everyone, I'm Tom, and in this tutorial we'll be leveling up your support by combining Chatbase's amazing AI agents with Zendesk and something called Sunshine Conversations. You may have heard of it. You may not, that's okay. With this combo, your agent can automatically create tickets for urgent issues like billing or service disruptions, no delays, no missed messages, and instant feedback for your users. And when AI reaches its limits, Zendesk Sunshine provides a smooth handoff to a live agent so the conversation continues seamlessly. By the end of this 5-minute video, you'll learn how to 1. Configure Chatbase to automatically generate Zendesk tickets, and 2. Connect Chatbase to Sunshine Conversations so your chatbot can escalate to a live Zendesk agent when needed. Grab your logins, let's hop into the dashboard and let's set this bad boy up. Inside Chatbase, we already have our agent selected, which is called Content AI. This is where we have a Chatbase integration with a fictitious site, which we've created. We are going to now go and select actions. You can see we've got this Stripe integration already set up and working. We're going to go to integrations and we're going to press Sunshine. Now we already have Zendesk set up and connected. We have our Zendesk account. We're going to go and click this connect button with Sunshine. Now we're going to see this. It's going to ask us for our app ID, our key ID, and our secret key. And to find this, you're going to want to hop over to Zendesk. You need to go into the top right, click these 3 squares, go to the administration center, go to applications integrations, scroll down, and we're going to press this conversations API. I'm going to want to create an API key by clicking this button and giving it a name. In this one, we're going to go Chatbase and Content AI, and then press this button, and we're going to have our keys here. I'm going to go ahead and just paste these in and press save. Obviously, for obvious reasons, you don't need to see these. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and press submit. And now we have our Sunshine integration connected. Let's double check. Hop back into Chatbase and we can see this. It's now connected with Sunshine. Now, next step, let's go to our actions. Let's press create action. We scroll down a little bit and we're going to see Sunshine. Now, Sunshine live chat. This is going to start a live chat with a Sunshine agent. And we can see use when a user asks to chat to a real person. First line. Call this tool to connect the user with a live agent for real-time assistance only when a user explicitly requests to chat with a real person or you fail to resolve their issue after multiple attempts. So here's what's going to happen. The user's going to land on your site, like we said before. They're going to ask a question. If the AI can answer it, it will. If not, it's going to forward them and connect them with a live agent. Okay, here's a bit more explanation. Do not ask the user to summarize or describe the issue. Derive the information from the conversation and write it from a user's first person perspective. So it's going to pass the context of the message through to the agent. Let's go ahead and press save. Then you need to make sure you remember to enable it in the top right here. Let's enable. It's enabled through this toggle. Now let's go ahead and test this. I'm going to jump over to the site where I've got it integrated. But before that, I do that, you can go here and see that it's now added to our list of actions. Here is our site. We built this inside of Replit. I'm just going to refresh this. We're going to go ahead and toggle this widget here. This is our Chatbase widget. Let's open it up and you can see it's already identified me. I'm logged in. So we've got the identification working through Chatbase. And I'm going to say, what is this product about? So this should be a general question that our AI should be able to handle. Great. And then I can say, I'm having an issue and my credits not being refunded. Can I speak to a human? Here we go. I've connected you to a live agent who will assist you shortly with your issue regarding image generation and credit refunds. Thank you for your patience. So now we're waiting for a support agent to join us. Let's hop into Zendesk and we can see that we have this ticket waiting for us here. Let's open it up. And I'm having an issue with my image generation and my credits not being refunded. Let's do this. Hey, let's say Ben here. Let me look into that for you. Could you let me know exactly what the issue is you're running into? And here we go. We've got a couple of messages. We say, hey, Ben here. Change the name just so it wasn't Tom speaking to myself. Let me look into that for you. Could you let me know exactly what the issue is you're running into? And I could go back. Sure. When I create an image, it seems to be taking 10x the credits that it should. Very simple query. This goes back. We're going back and forward. I get a ping. And here we go. Sure, when I create an image, it seems to be taking 10x the number of credits it should. And then you can go and you can do the normal Zendesk stuff. You can assign this to different people. You can escalate it if you need to. You can add tags, add notes, attach files, and all that good stuff. But that is pretty simple, and that's how you can add another layer of support to your chat-based agents to make sure that none of these support tickets or none of these support queries from your users are falling through the gaps. So let me know how you set it up, and hopefully this solves a big problem. Enjoy.